Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. You may also need a replacement charging port compatible with the Lenovo 15HCH6 model. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. With the back cover removed, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new port is installed. Now, using your tweezers, carefully disconnect the old charging port from the motherboard. This may involve gently lifting a connector or unscrewing it, depending on the design. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Once the old port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it down firmly to ensure a secure connection. If it requires screws, use your Phillips screwdriver to fasten it in place. After the new port is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Start by replacing the back cover, ensuring that all clips are securely fastened. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. Before powering on your laptop, it's advisable to double-check all connections and ensure everything is in its proper place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. Once you're satisfied, power on your Lenovo 15ACH6 and test the new charging port with your charger. If everything works as expected, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the charging port. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the charging port on your Lenovo 15H6 is a manageable task with the right tools and a bit of patience. Always prioritize safety and take your time during the process to avoid any mistakes. Happy repairing. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.